everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is breakfast for dinner, or you could do it as a breakfast during the holidays when you have family in. It's really easy. It's a take on the smash burger taco, but this is a smash burger breakfast taco using breakfast sausage instead of, burger. So it's really easy. You use scrambled eggs, you can use salsa, cheese, so many choices on this one, and it was so easy and so delicious. So hopefully you'll give it a try. This is also from allrecipes.com, so we're going to put a link to the original recipe in the description box below for the smash burger taco, but just watch the video for the variation. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Also, this one could be used for Taco Tuesday. So many options. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, so we're making breakfast for dinner, which I really enjoy doing. And this is from an All Recipes short that I saw. It's a smashed breakfast taco instead of the regular smashed beef taco. So we're using breakfast sausage, Jimmy Dean. Spread it to the edge of the tortilla. And then you're gonna take your tortilla, put it on your hot pan, face down. It would help if the pan was on. Hold on. There we go. Medium heat. Face down. Cook it for 4 minutes. Set a timer. Till it's golden brown on that side. Then I'll show you what to do next. Also scramble up some eggs. So this is regular egg. Then I got my vegan egg scrambled up already for my tacos over here. Added some blend. Also made some guacamole with the blend. Got some cheese, non-dairy and dairy. And these are gluten-free tortillas. So then I'll show you what you do when this one's done. It's been 4 minutes. You can see the meat is nice and golden brown. We added my scrambled eggs, some cheese, and some guacamole. Fold it up and eat. So easy. Enjoy. So give it a try. Bye. Say bye, Yoda. Hold on, let's get a chip. Come on, Yoda, get your chip. Get it. Get it. Yo, good dog. Happy Monday.